Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we're going to do some price analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so in the previous video, we were talking about how we're possibly in this pennant pattern right here. And as you can see, we have continued to consolidate. And we have actually formed another couple touch points right here and here. So at this time, it actually looks like we have created yet another descending triangle. And of course, the longer and longer that you go, the longer and longer you consolidate, the more patterns you will create. And it looks like we could actually have another pattern right here as well. So if we come from here all the way down here, let me adjust this a little bit. All right, so we actually could have actually created another pennant pattern right here. So we do have a touch point right here, one right here, and one right here. So that's 3 touch points. So that is now a valid trend line as well. So we can actually go over here and grab our targets as well. But one thing I do want to point out right here is we did break out of this descending triangle or the pennant pattern. We did come back down and have a retest right here, which is what we want to see. Now, hopefully, we'll check our RSI in a second, but hopefully we'll start getting a bounce right here and head towards the upside. But let's go ahead and grab a target for us. All right, so we're going to come from the top of our triangle, or we're going to do the descending triangle first. We're going to come from the top over here. All right, and then we will drag this out to our breakout area, which is right around here. All right, so our first initial target we will want to look for, that will be around right around the 67.31 area. So right around there. And then let's drag this out and see what our pennant pattern would look like. So delete this. We'll go from the top of our pennant pattern, and that'll be down to around here. All right, drag this out and somewhere right around here to our breakout area. And then this does put us right around this area right here. So in yesterday's video, we were actually right between, or our target for this bigger pennant pattern right here that we pulled out. That was right around this 0.27 area right here. So I do believe once we hit this area, I don't think we'll have an issue coming up to our 0.27 right here. That is on our right here on our Fibonacci. That it would be around the 7160 area. I don't think that will be an issue. So let's go over here and check out our RSIs and see how we are looking. Over here again, of course, we could, if we don't hold right here, we'll probably come back down and maybe even retest this the bottom of the descending triangle or even the pennant pattern, then hopefully get a bounce up here. That's possible as well if we do break this trend line. But let's go over here to our 15-minute chart and check out our RSIs. All right, so currently our RSI, we are sitting right around the 53 area. Stochastic is starting to come back down. So we could potentially break through this trend line and get a retest on either of our descending triangle or the pennant pattern trend line. We'll have to wait and see if we do get a retest on there. And over here on our hourly chart, our RSI currently is sitting right around the 50 area. The stochastic, as you see, is over here in the overbought territory. That is one bearish sign right here. We could come back down and get a retest, or maybe even bounce off one of our trend lines right here, one of our levels, and get bounced up. We'll have to see how that plays out. And over here on our 4-hourly chart, our RSI is right around the 49 area. The stochastic is coming down. We can see we are starting to trend a little bit upward right there. And over here on our daily chart, RSI is currently sitting around the 58 area. And we actually are starting to curve a little more upward on our daily chart. So as the last couple of videos we've said, hopefully we will be getting our next bull run right here. And then back over here on our 15-minute chart. All right, so hopefully we'll see how this plays out, but hopefully we've already had our first retest. We could come up a little bit again and maybe get another retest. I don't think that will be happening. So either we will break this trend line and come back down here for a descending triangle, or the pennant pattern right here and get a bounce, or we could actually just trend a little bit sideways and then get our breakout that we're looking for. since we've already had our first retest. But I will do updates as well as through the day. I'll do some tweets over on Twitter, and this evening I'll do another video to see where we are. But again, you can find me over at Twitter. That is at Only Crypto Cycle. Again, you can find me at Only Crypto Cycle. And I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And always please make sure you do like and subscribe. And one more thing I do want to say, of course, if we do see this, if we do see our breakout fully through here, that will put us right above this trend line right here, our major trend line that we've had for the last couple of days, maybe even a couple weeks now as well. That will put us right above here, so I'll be very bearish. Now that should point towards a very big bull run coming, and we'll go over the targets again in a later video of what we could be looking for as well. But again, thanks again for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and have a good day. Take care.